we'll guide you through how to use text-to-speech on Instagram Reels. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, let's start creating a Reel. So just come to your Instagram homepage, swipe across, and then you can select Reel at the bottom. I'll just go and record a quick example now, or alternatively, you can go and add one from your camera roll, then click on Next in the bottom right. Before we get any further, I just want to go and mute the video sound. To do that, you click on the music icon at the top, then you can go and click on controls, and then you can turn volume controls all the way down like this for camera audio. Now that I've done that, now what we need to do is add the text. So go to the top right and click on the text tool and type in what you want this text to be. After you've typed it in, you can then go and add some effects at the top and also change the font if you want. I'm not going to. Then you can press done in the top right. And then to go and add text to speech, you need to go and click in the text bubble in the bottom left, which says the same as what your text says. Click there and it will open up a timeline. And then what you want to do is go to the bottom and click on text to speech. Then we've got the option for voice 1 and voice 2. Let me turn my volume up just to show you how it sounds. So click on voice 1 and you can then go and hear it. And you've also got voice 2 as well. So you can choose which one you want and you can then press on the tick in the bottom right like this, and that's it. You can then press on the back button in the bottom left, and to get back to the usual Reels editor, you just drag down on the video like that. And you can add more things to your Reel, but if you want to post it, just go and click on Next in the bottom right, and you can then post it as you usually would. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.